Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Porsche Cayenne key battery. First, gather your tools, a new CR2032 battery, and a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. This simple task can be done at home, saving you a trip to the dealership. We will guide you through each step, ensuring your key fob is working perfectly again in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button on the side and pulling out the mechanical key. Next, look inside the opening where the mechanical key was. You will see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this slot and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Gently pry it out of its holder. Take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating it is securely closed. After reassembling, test your key fob immediately. Check if the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons are all functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, simply reopen the fob and ensure the battery is seated properly with the correct orientation. Sometimes a slight adjustment is all that's needed. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your fully functional key.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.